On Wednesday, federal regulators gave the green light to Moderna and Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 booster shots.
They also announced that it's okay to mix and match them. We spoke with a local physician about what this means for us here in Western Mass.
They look at the evidence of waning immunity and the benefit of the booster.
On Wednesday, the FDA approved COVID-19 boosters for those who got the Moderna or Johnson & Johnson vaccine. It said anyone eligible for an extra dose can get a brand different from the one they initially received. This move effectively adds tens of millions of Americans to those now eligible for a third shot, or a second one for those who received the single-dose J&J. Dr. Armando Paez, chief of the Division of Infectious Diseases at Baystate Medical Center, tells Western Mass News it's a decision that could be very helpful.
It gives a lot of options in terms of what vaccine to use for booster. Some people who may, for example, have some reaction to J&J, then for us a booster vaccine, that person can use the either the Pfizer or the Moderna.
As of last month, the FDA had only approved Pfizer's vaccine as a booster and indicated only those who'd received Pfizer's previous 2 shots could get a third. Now the FDA has authorized a third Moderna shot for seniors and others at high risk, 6 months after their last shot. For J&J's single-shot vaccine, the FDA says all recipients can get a second dose at least 2 months following their initial vaccination. As for mixing and matching, the FDA said it's okay to use any brand for the booster, regardless of which vaccination people got first.
Based on the available information, it is safe to do the mix and match. There are clinical trials that look into this mix and matching, and that's where they base the decision.
But before you roll up your sleeves, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention still needs to sign off before Moderna and J&J boosters are made available. Thursday, CDC officials are set to consult an expert panel before finalizing official recommendations for who should get boosters and when.
Dr. Paez says doctors are looking to the state for guidance on how to implement the booster shot rollout. The vast majority of Americans who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 have received the Pfizer or Moderna shots, while about 15 million received the J&J vaccine.